So friends, OnePlus 13T is set to arrive on Thursday as a smaller version of the standard OnePlus 13 model that was unveiled in January. Ahead of its launch in China, the company has revealed the display specifications of the upcoming OnePlus 13T. We already know that the phone will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and that will be powered by a 6260 mAh battery. The upcoming handset will be offered in 3 colorways and it is confirmed to feature a 50-megapixel dual rear camera setup. In a Weibo post, the company revealed that the upcoming OnePlus 13T will sport a 6.32-inch flat 1.5K OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and 460 ppi pixel density, and it offers 100% coverage of the DCI P3 color gamut along with HDR10+, HDR Vivid and Dolby Vision support. And OnePlus claims that the upcoming 13T handset is made with the only self-developed display science production line of Chinese mobile phone manufacturers, and the company adds that the phone uses an exclusively self-developed P2 display chip and its in-house Bright Eye Protection 2.0 technology. And the upcoming OnePlus 13T screen will feature a sun display mode for easier viewing under bright sunlight, as well as Rain Touch 2.0 and Glove Touch technology. The handset is confirmed to pack a 6260 mAh battery and it will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, and it will ship with Android 15 based ColorOS 15. And the dual rear camera unit of the OnePlus 13T will comprise a 50-megapixel Sony primary sensor alongside a 50-megapixel secondary sensor with 2x optical zoom and 4x lossless zoom support. The handset will carry a Wi-Fi G1 chip for gaming and it weighs 185 grams. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.